Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, I will show you how to set up ANNHUB and other related software and tool properly. First, we will visit the ANS Center website. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create it by clicking on Register. After logging in, go to the download page and download the latest version of ANNHUB. After the download is successful, extract the file and click Install to start installing the software. Select the installation directory. But to make sure all related software and tool can be operated stably, default installation is recommended. Now, follow the instruction to finish the installation. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. And we have finished installing ANNHUB. However, at the moment, the software only has the function of training model but not exporting the trained model or providing APIs for deployment. Therefore, you must download the ANNHUB license corresponding to the programming language you want to implement the training model. Each license comes with its own API call so that you can interact with your AI system. First access the website, then click Shop. For example, if you want to deploy the ANNHUB model into LabVIEW, we will choose ANNHUB LV and continue purchasing. After completing, an email will be sent to you to confirm the purchase. You can click Manage License in the sent email or access it directly via personal portal on the website to check your license. The portal will manage your purchased licenses, which will allow you to export the trained model from the software into a zip file for deployment. A check mark that appears in the active status means that the license has been activated. The activation count corresponds to the number of computers using this account. Deployment count is the number of exported models. You will have to purchase additional license to be able to extend these limitations if you want. Now open and log in to ANNHUB. So ANNHUB is ready to be used. In the next videos, I will guide you on training and deploying your AI model step by step. Thank you for watching.